So many options to choose. Seriously? What, not you again? You gonna be back again? Whew, well, it's good to be back. Can't get rid of me, mate. So now that I'm back, I recommend you go for this one, my friend. This one is the one you want. So what hipster brought you here, huh? Come on, dude. It is the in. Don't you want to be popular? It is so mad hipster. You can be popular. You can be like everyone else. Seems impractical me, though. You know, it's not logical. But look at that one. Don't you want that one? Jeez. Like, seriously, dude. I'm trying my hardest here. You need to get that one. Nah, I'd rather be me, though, you know? I don't want to follow everyone else. I'd just rather be me. But. See ya. Now this one. That's the one for me.